Welcome back, craft lovers. Today's decor idea will make your space feel brand new by inspiring you to create woodworking showpieces at home. Creating woodworking showpieces at home offers a multitude of advantages that extend beyond mere aesthetics. Engaging in this craft can transform a simple hobby into a profound and fulfilling experience. Not only does woodworking provide an opportunity for personal expression and creativity, but it also fosters a sense of accomplishment and enhances various skills that can be beneficial in many aspects of life. At the heart of woodworking is the chance to express individuality. Each piece crafted is a reflection of the creator's vision and skill, allowing for personal style to shine through. Whether it's a beautifully crafted table, an intricate carving, or a simple decorative item, each showpiece tells a story. The process of designing and executing these pieces encourages creativity, pushing individuals to think outside the box and experiment with different techniques, materials, and forms. This creative outlet can be incredibly therapeutic, providing a break from the stresses of daily life and offering a productive way to spend time. Moreover, woodworking is a skill that develops over time. As individuals engage with the craft, they inevitably enhance their dexterity, precision, and understanding of materials. The act of working with wood teaches patience and attention to detail, as each cut and joint requires careful consideration. This meticulous nature of woodworking translates to other areas of life, encouraging a mindset that values quality and thoroughness. The satisfaction derived from seeing a project come to fruition after hours of careful work is unparalleled, instilling a sense of pride and achievement. In addition to personal growth, creating woodworking showpieces at home fosters a connection to the environment and the materials used. Woodworking often involves sourcing materials locally, which can lead to a greater appreciation for natural resources. Understanding the properties of different types of wood, their sustainability, and how to work with them responsibly can deepen one's respect for nature. This connection can inspire environmentally conscious practices, such as using reclaimed wood or implementing eco-friendly finishes, further enhancing the woodworker's engagement with their craft. Are you enjoying this video? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Decor Ideas for more decor and woodworking inspiration. Share this video with someone who loves decor and woodcrafts. Let's create and decorate together. The social aspect of woodworking cannot be overlooked either. Many woodworking enthusiasts find community through workshops, clubs, or online forums, where they can share their creations, seek advice, and collaborate on projects. This sense of camaraderie can lead to lasting friendships and networks of support. Engaging with others who share similar interests can provide motivation and inspire individuals to push their boundaries, experiment with new techniques, and tackle more ambitious projects. Additionally, sharing one's work can spark conversations and inspire others to take up woodworking, creating a ripple effect of creativity and craftsmanship. Furthermore, woodworking at home allows for customization in a way that mass-produced furniture cannot. Each piece can be tailored to fit specific needs, tastes, and spaces. This level of personalization not only results in unique showpieces, but also ensures that the items created are functional and suited to the individual's lifestyle. For instance, a handmade table can be designed to fit perfectly in a particular nook or to match existing decor, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a home. This ability to create items that are both beautiful and practical adds value to the woodworking experience. Financially, creating showpieces at home can also be advantageous. While the initial investment in tools and materials may seem significant, the long-term savings can be substantial. Handmade furniture and decor can be expensive when purchased from stores, and crafting one's own pieces can lead to considerable cost savings. Additionally, quality handmade items often appreciate in value over time, making woodworking not just a hobby, but a potential investment. The skills learned through woodworking can also lead to entrepreneurial opportunities, as individuals may choose to sell their creations, turning a passion into a profitable venture. On a more personal level, woodworking can serve as a family bonding activity. Involving family members in the process of creating showpieces can strengthen relationships and foster teamwork. It provides an opportunity for parents to teach their children valuable skills, instilling a sense of responsibility and pride in creating something from scratch. Working together on projects can create lasting memories and traditions, enriching family life and encouraging collaboration. Moreover, the act of creating woodworking showpieces can also serve as a bridge between generations. As families engage in woodworking together, they not only share skills, but also stories and traditions. This intergenerational exchange can be incredibly enriching, allowing younger members to learn from the experiences of older generations. Through this shared activity, family history and techniques can be passed down, ensuring that valuable skills are not lost over time. This continuity fosters a sense of belonging and identity as individuals connect with their heritage through the tangible act of crafting. In addition, the physical nature of woodworking encourages a lifestyle that values manual labor and craftsmanship. In a world that increasingly prioritizes digital skills and remote work, woodworking offers a refreshing contrast. The hands-on approach nurtures a deeper understanding of one's environment and the materials within it. This engagement with physical work can lead to improved health and fitness, as activities such as lifting, sanding, and shaping would require physical exertion and coordination. It encourages a balanced lifestyle, blending mental focus with physical activity, which can be beneficial for overall well-being. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a woodworking project extends beyond the individual. When a showpiece is finished and displayed in a home, it becomes a conversation starter and a source of pride for the entire family. Friends and visitors often admire handmade items, leading to discussions about the creative process and the challenges faced during construction. This sharing of experiences not only builds community, but also inspires others to try their hand at woodworking, perpetuating a cycle of creativity and craftsmanship. Another advantage of woodworking is its versatility. The skills acquired can be applied to a variety of projects, from furniture to decorative items and even practical tools. This adaptability allows woodworkers to continuously challenge themselves and explore new ideas. Each project presents an opportunity to learn something new, whether it's mastering a technique, experimenting with different types of wood, or incorporating mixed media into their work. This variety keeps the craft engaging and ensures that there is always something new to discover. Furthermore, the process of woodworking allows for mistakes and learning opportunities. The inevitable challenges that arise during crafting can teach resilience and problem-solving skills. Each error becomes a chance to innovate and find creative solutions, reinforcing the idea that failure is a natural part of the learning process. This mindset not only enhances woodworking skills, but also translates to other areas of life, fostering a more adaptable and resilient approach to challenges. The meditative quality of woodworking is another significant advantage. The rhythmic nature of cutting, sanding, and shaping wood can be calming, allowing individuals to enter a state of flow where they can forget their worries and immerse themselves in the task at hand. This mindfulness aspect of woodworking can improve mental well-being, offering a constructive outlet for stress relief. Engaging in a hands-on activity that requires focus can also enhance cognitive functions, improving problem-solving skills and critical thinking. As technology advances, many traditional skills risk being lost. By engaging in woodworking, individuals can preserve these time-honored techniques and pass them down to future generations. This preservation of craft not only keeps cultural history alive, but also promotes an appreciation for handmade goods in an increasingly digital world. The tactile experience of working with wood stands in stark contrast to the virtual interactions that dominate modern life, grounding individuals in the present moment. Ultimately, the advantages of creating woodworking showpieces at home are vast and varied. From fostering creativity and enhancing skills to building community and preserving tradition, woodworking is much more than a simple craft. It is a holistic experience that enriches lives. The journey from raw wood to a finished piece is filled with lessons, challenges, and rewards that contribute to personal growth and satisfaction. Whether for personal enjoyment, family bonding, or financial gain, woodworking offers something for everyone, making it a truly rewarding pursuit. Thanks for watching Decor Ideas. I hope today's project inspired you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our next decor and woodworking creation. See you soon with another amazing idea.